walang bias, walang pan-pan. Nasa Senate Rules of Procedures on Impeachment Trial yan. Rule number 2.
Yes po. Nag-iisipan niya nga po, dahil chocolate naman yung 50 million tapos may chocolate yung kalahati.
Oh my gosh! Guilty ba to or not guilty?
Miss Senator Fontanilla,
Guilty.
Secretary of the Senate, you may now announce the report. With 16 votes for guilty representing more than 2/3 of all members of the Senate,